That's pretty nasty. Skippy stick.
This is Trenton getting his tampon ready for his asshole. Getting that shit ready for his
we'll
asshole.
go back in.
No,
That's what she fucking said, man.
No, it won't.
It doesn't go back in. What if she needs that later, dude?
You rich.
I got an extra one.
It came out. It's a white mouse. Oh my god. It's a white mouse. It's not gonna kill a white mouse.
Oh my god, where is it at?
Oh my god, wipe it off.
Oh my
Get out of
god.
my room. Get out of my room. My dad's be like, what the fuck?
I know, there's a photo.
It's another Skippy stick.
Oh my god.
Drew, look. Drew, look. Drew, look. It's my Skippy stick.
Hang on.